Welcome to the Yaklik installation tutorial for the Jupyter model. This tutorial will highlight three different sections, which are e-learning completion, physical assembly, commissioning and registration. All installers must register and complete the online program in addition to any previous VSAT experience. Our online learning portal guides you through building a solid VSAT knowledge and provides technique to install and commission a Yaklik terminal. The hands-on training consists of assembly of the antenna parts, the reflector, the feed, azimuth and elevation canister, and the radio. All the certified installers should be granted access on the installation portal, that is to view the service orders and use the online validation tools. Both the service order number and the subscriber account number, known as the SAN, are entered to access the service order and print the IRS. IRS contains all the customer information, terminal components, and the installation sections should be filled. It is very important to contact the customer to schedule an appointment and confirm the exact location. Fill all the details obtained from the customer in the IRS for your reference. Access the SLVT and enter the accurate coordinates, or use the map to locate customer premises and click Submit. SLVT will validate the coordinates and confirm the following parameters: service availability, beam ID, antenna size, and the radio power. Select one of the power options and click Confirm. Access the installation document to download the latest SBC file. Always make sure that you have the latest version. Now power up the modem and upload the SBC file to confirm the modem's readiness. SBC is the satellite-based commissioning file that has all the beams parameters and is used for pointing and auto commissioning. To install a YACLIC terminal, every installer should have standard toolkit. Now the installer will assemble a 98 cm antenna. Make sure that the bolts are tightened and secured with the suitable washers. To start the commissioning, press on Install, enter the latitude and longitude, and select the correct beam with the antenna size. Note that accurate latitude and longitude are required to ensure side ranges optimally with the satellite and the gateway. The same azimuth and elevation recommended should be used to start pointing to the satellite. The single power is shown as 15 at the starting point. The installer should consult the customer for a suitable location to place the antenna. At this instance, the installer will connect the DAPT between the modem and the ODU based on the label mentioned behind it. Once it's powered, the installer can start pointing. It is advisable to set the elevation angle as displayed on the modem page and start sweeping within the azimuth range. The elevation angle is to be adjusted only if no signal was received. Once the DAPT starts picking up the signal, the installer should carefully align the dish to achieve the highest signal level, also known as SQF. Note that the reading on the left indicates the highest signal captured, and the reading on the right is the level signal reception. Going back to the modem page, the installer will be able to continue with the commissioning process. The modem at this stage will start communicating with the gateway. The ranging process will determine the optimal timing and power for this VSAT. Log into the installation portal and enter the SAN and service order, then press Launch OVT. Select the installed antenna and enter the mount type, then click Proceed. If the diagnosis is green and OK, click Sign Off. Otherwise, the OVT would indicate that a problem has occurred and suggest a solution. For more details about the OVT, please refer to the Installation and Maintenance Guide documents. Enter the cable length in the Installation Details section and click Sign Off. Click on Terminal Service Activation to activate the modem. Enter the SAN and PIN found on the IRS sheet and make sure that the 3 letters are in uppercase. Click Confirm to send the terminal activation request. Wait for all the configuration parameters to be downloaded, then restart the modem. This process might take up to several minutes. Once all the LEDs are back on, go back to the modem page and click on System Status. Observe the status code, it should be fully operational. Before leaving, show the customer how to access and use the end-user portal. You need the SAN number and modem serial number to access the EUP. In this web page, the customer will be able to check his download allowance, available tokens, tokens usage history, and the consumed amount of upload and download. Also, the customer can use Yasat Speed Test tool by entering either the SAN or site ID. Installation Documents is an electronic database available through the installation portal. Installers can access the database 24/7 to learn and understand the Yaklik related documents, such as installation guidance, tool specs, and approved cables. Thank you for watching the Yaklik video tutorial.